Welcome back to a new video on my channel. This is yours faithfully baby Tiffy and I'm back with a new vlog. Today we are going to cook something new again in this kitchen. Yes, you are back in my kitchen again. So today on this video we are going to make pakora. Pakora my way. We are going to make chives, green chili, of course chili is mandatory, a bulb of onion, basin, and I would like to add some king chili as well for the taste, some salt. So we have everything ready. I'm going to start making the paste, but before I do that, I'm going to clean my chives, wash it nicely, and we will get the ingredients ready before we start. So give me a sec. Let me just wash my ingredients, okay? We have the bulb, we have the chili, the onion, and the chives. So I'm going to go wash these vegetables. Squeeze off the excess water. Round two. Okay. I think it's very clean now. Squeezing out as much water as possible. I don't want it to be watery. All of the fresh vegetables that I need is clean. It's been washed. Now I just have to clean garlic because yes, garlic is very important. I'm not going to use the full bulb of the garlic, but countable ones. Yep, now cut this out. I think this should be enough. Yeah, this is enough. Now watch me peel my garlic. Okay, my garlic peeling is done. Let me just throw off this cover. The peel. We have a king chili. Okay. Alright, so let me first set them aside for now. I have this beautiful dough. I bought this from Naughty Shop as well. See, so pretty. There is a very small design. Do you see the stars? This is the most prettiest part of my dough. I love this part. Okay, I'm going to use this to chop off my vegetables. I hope that my vegetable chopping is pleasing to your ear. Start by onion. Time for my green chilies. Time for the chives. And start chopping. Alright, we have our fresh vegetables ready. Now I have to make this garlic and king chili paste. So my pretty tatuku and tatumi is here. Okay, it's done. Alright, some mineral water. I don't like using raw water, so I usually make the paste with the mineral water. Mineral water is here, so I make a paste. Now I will have to mix it with the garlic and king chili paste. Scoop up everything. Alright, now I have to mix this. When you're working with king chili, you do not want to touch your hand and dip on it unless you want to cry for the next 2-3 days while your fingers are burning. So please take your precautions. Do not dip your hand directly into the paste for whatever you're working or cooking if king chili is involved. Okay, I'm going to slowly mix my chives and my fresh vegetables. And if the basin is a little less, then I can just put more basin. It's not a problem. And mix them together. I'm going to put some salt now, since everything is in one paste. Salt is very important. Mix it, mix it, mix it. I just added the remaining basin because I feel like the veggies are too thick. A bit more water, mineral water. Okay, now I mix it again. I have to mix, mix, mix. This spoon for measurement when I'm frying it, when I start the frying process. I'm going to start heating refined oil. Once I have the pakora made, I'm going to start plating it here because it'll be hot at the beginning. Now whenever we are using steel karai, I always make sure that it gets heated first before I put oil in it, so that the base does not get burnt whenever you're frying anything. If this tip helps, please give it a like. So I'm gonna put my oil in the karai because it's quite hot enough. I think this should do for now. Later on, if I need it again, I can just put it again. Okay, I think the oil is ready now. So let's start the frying. Flip, flip, flip it, flip it. I don't feel like talking anymore. Here I am, still black. Very last paste left. Okay, let's put this over. Still soft, but I just want to make sure that it's not overcooked in one side. This is the last. Here we go. So this is our pakora. Let me do a taste test. The king chili is working. This is really good. I usually enjoy this with tea, so I'm gonna enjoy this with my black tea. Yes, I prefer the black tea without sugar. So this will be the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my cooking video. Very basic pakora for snack. Ingredients are very less, you can get it anywhere. So go on, try making pakora today. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, please share my channel, and stay tuned for new upcoming video. See ya, bye!